everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you pay with Klarna on Shein. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Shein and log into your account. So I'm just going to log into mine. So I just logged into my account. So once I've logged into your account here, so what are you going to do if you're going to pay with Klarna? So let's process with a purchase so that I can show you how do you pay with Klarna. So for example, let me purchase something. For example, okay, this speakers here. All right, so I want to purchase this, so I'm going to add it to my cart. So add it to your cart and then go to your cart and then just proceed with the checkout. So here, that's fine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to proceed with the checkout. Okay, so click on checkout here. So once I get to this page here, so way under payment methods, so here, so if you want to pay with Klarna, so what are you going to do? You're going to just look for Klarna under the buy now and pay later options, because Klarna is a buy now and pay later option. So you need to look that under here. So what you have to do is click on buy now and pay later option, and here you should see the Klarna option. The Klarna option here. Just note that this is only this, you will only see Klarna option if Klarna is available in your region or in your location. All right, so based on your location, so if your region supports Klarna, then you should be able to see that. All right, so what you have to do, so you just have to simply select Klarna and then click on confirm. All right, and then hit on continue and proceed with the payment. So that's pretty much it is. So that's how you pay with Klarna on Shein. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.